Hi friends, you should submit your completed PAN application at any of the following UDITS offices. Guidelines for submitting PAN application through UDITS website/portal and making payment online. Instructions for filling up the form, as provided on the website. For Indian citizens, fees is 110 rupees. Then click on Apply as an Indian citizen or foreign citizen. Then fill your details. Full name, father name, mobile number, email address, source of income, address for communication. Then fill residence address. Then you need to submit documents. Voter card issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India. Elector's photo identity card. Passport. Driving license. Central Government Health Scheme card or ex-serviceman contributory health scheme photo card. Electricity bill. Landline telephone or broadband connection bill. Photo identity card issued by the central government or a state government or a public sector undertaking. Photo identity card issued by the central government or a state government or a public sector undertaking. Birth certificate issued by the municipal authority or any office authorized to issue birth and death certificate by the registrar of birth and deaths or the ration card having photograph of the applicant. Point water bill. Arms license. Domicile certificate issued by the government. Bank account statement, etc. Then make payment, submit form and print the copy. And send by a post to these addresses. Thank you.